Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Noushie, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This video, I'm going to be bringing you guys some really exciting news. So guys, I started my own company. It is called Thick Things Clothing. It's inspired by me, of course. I do make clothes. I am a seamstress. I don't know if you guys know that, but this video is going to be me debuting a lot of pieces for you guys. My site is already up. I will be linking it down below. Guys, I'm so excited. This is like my dream. I will eventually be converting it into a clothing boutique, but for right now I am doing swimsuits. It's easy to find a swimsuit factory. It's really hard to find a clothing factory because you want the right materials, you want the right price, you want the right products. So please stay tuned, just be patient with me. I am working on it, but it is going to take some time, of course, and some coin. So for now, I am doing swimsuits. Swimsuits is my freaking specialty. Like, I love bikinis and bathing suits. So it's not like you guys are going to have a problem with these. I think my designs are very, like, I don't know, trendy, and I think a lot of people will find it flattering to their body type. Of course, I'm making things that fit my body type so that I can model them for you guys. I will be bringing other things and other models, but again, bear with me, don't worry. More styles, more sizes, all of that will be coming, but I am one person and this is my first company, so if you guys could just bear with me, okay. But anyways, guys, I will be trying on some of the pieces for you guys today. I hope you guys love it. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Please follow my business page. I will be linking it down below, as well as putting it on the screen for you guys here. And yeah, about this hair, by the way, this is from the same company that my red hair was from, the Chakra hair company, and it's beautiful. I will be doing a video on it this week too, so you guys will be getting 2 videos this week, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'm rambling. Black Lives Matter, always. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is the first bathing suit. For the sake of this video not getting demonetized, I'm not going to turn around, but you guys get the idea. This one is crocheted and it's called the Bedazzled Mermaid Bikini. I'm not going to say all of the names. I will put them on the screen and down below for you guys so you guys can go check it out on the site. But yeah, this one is very delicate, very pretty, very much mermaid vibes. This one has a double strapped bottom and as well as the top, so it's very, very supportive. This one is very delicate, you guys, so you have to be very careful with it. You have to make sure you get your size. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. It comes in multiple different colors. So this is the first one. It's very, very pretty, very sparkly, very much birthday vacation. I absolutely love this one. I will be putting up the other colors for you guys on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, I would definitely pick this one up if you have a special vacation planned. I did do the double strapping on purpose because I wanted the second strap to go into your hip dips, your waist dips, I meant to say. So that it could give you like the high-waisted kind of look, the sexy, you know, curvy bae kind of look, and I absolutely love it. I'm so happy how these came. Do a close-up of the jewels. And it just covers the nipples, so this bikini is more about the cup size more than it is about the bottoms, because the bottoms are kind of like cheeky. They're supposed to be a little more revealing, so don't worry about the bottoms. Get your cup size, small, medium, or large, or extra large. All right, guys. All right, next piece. So the next piece I have is this one piece. I absolutely love this one. It's so dope on melanated skin. You have no idea, especially if you're like tanned. This one is crisscrossed in the back. It is very, very complimentary to curvy girls because it's very high-waisted. It's not very supportive on the breast. That's not the point of this. It's kind of supposed to be like naked, but you're covering up. It's cheeky, but not too cheeky. It does cover enough so that it's not like a thong bikini or bathing suit. Love it. So let me get a little closer so you guys can get the true color. Absolutely love this one. So dope. It gives you a little side boob action. a little cleavage. You can untie this and tie it to your liking. It does spread out so that it's a little less cleavage if you want it to be that way. Yeah, I'm wearing a large. This one is very stretchy. So yeah. Anyways, next piece. So this next bikini is probably my second favorite out of like the whole collection. I absolutely love this one so much. I've seen a lot of other people have this kind of design, but mine is different because mine actually goes into a triangle shape like the rest of the top of the bikini, while other people's is like an oval. Mine is like more of a leopard, while other people's is more of a cheetah. So this one's so cute. I absolutely love it. This one is like a vacation vibes type of feel because it's just so cute and flirty and fun, and skimpy enough for vacation. I absolutely love it. It could be a thong, or you can widen it and it could be kind of like a Brazilian cut back. I'll turn around a little bit for you guys so you can see. But I absolutely love this one so much. I can't wait to wear this on a vacation. Yeah, this one is lit. Like, come on, get into it. Get into it. And if your body's on point, these are the perfect string bikinis to show off that, you know, figure, your abs, your packs, whatever. I don't really have much packs going on, but I got a little something. Don't act like you don't see it. I know y'all see it. I know you see my little 4-pack. But anyway, this next bathing suit, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this one's for like a photo op. Like, this is not the bathing suit that you wear to a family function or anything like that. You could wear it on vacation or something, but this one is more for like the vibes, for the style. So it's called the Slingshot, and it's very, very naked, very open. Believe it or not, it's very complimenting to anybody with like the pouch area because it does cover that completely, but it shows off your curves, shows off your cleavage. It's not much support, but it is a little support. It does hold the girls up so that you can have the side boob action going on. I absolutely love this one. It's cute to take a picture, you know, on the side. It is a cheeky back, but it's not a thong. It goes around and ties in the front. If you can think of another way to wear it, you can. I absolutely love this one. This one does come in another color. It comes in a pink and cheetah print one. I'll put it on the screen for you guys so you guys can see. Yeah, this one is given vacation vibes, given bay vibes, given all types of vibes. I absolutely love this one. My sister looked amazing in it. You guys should check the site so you guys can see the pictures, but yeah, pick this one up. This last bikini that I'm gonna be showing for you guys is this white one. This one is the one that everybody's going crazy over. This one comes in white, black and cheetah. It comes in a 1-piece and 2-piece. You guys, everybody was losing their mind over this one. This one is just white, and it has a crisscross kind of back because of this little detail of everything going to one side. I'm gonna be real transparent with you guys. This one I made for myself, and it's because if you guys watched my skin video, I have scars on my body from an allergic reaction I had. So I have one on my butt, a scar right there, and I do have one here in some of my back. So the one right here, people like to ask a lot of questions. They think it's a hickey. They're asking what happened. I just say it's a burn or whatever. I'll just come up with a lie because I don't feel like getting into detail. But this bikini helps me cover that up. So if I ever go to a pool party or anything like that, I'm able to wear this one and not worry about my scars showing. And it's so stylish and so cute that it doesn't look like I'm covering anything. So I love that. It's also very, 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 very supportive for the breast. People were going crazy with this one. I love it in the 1-piece, and I do like it in the 2-piece too. If you don't like white, like I said, it comes in other colors, but this one is very, very flattering. You can wear the bottoms are reversible, so you can wear the bottom as a full back or a thong. I prefer to wear it as a thong, but it's up to you, your choice. Yeah, this one is a hit. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the links for all the swimsuits will be down below. Please share and support Black-owned businesses. This is my first business, and I was so nervous to launch it, but I'm so happy I did. I'm so happy everybody's loving these styles. I sell out a lot in sizes, so that makes me so happy. It's just incredible to see your baby, something you've been working on, flourish and do well. That's the whole point of me growing my platform on Instagram, was to eventually sell my clothing. So I'm so happy to see my dream come true and my dream come to light. You guys have no idea. So your small little support means the world to me. So check out my site. There will be more styles coming this week. Probably like every 2 weeks I'll be having more styles coming in, so stay tuned. If you don't see something you like, there'll be way more. These aren't all the styles on the site, so make sure you go check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.